So this is the brand new Huawei Watch Fit, and I've been using it for I think about 3 weeks right now, and we took this long to review this watch because we do have quite a lot of things to talk about this little I wouldn't really call it a smartwatch, but it's more like a fitness band plus some other smart features. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's just start off with some specs first. This is a 1.64-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 280 by 456, which means it's a little bit elongated and also slightly curved when you look at it in this direction here. And this screen here also has beautiful, bright, vivid colors, and everything is just nice to look at. And there are also a lot of watch faces already built into the watch itself, but you can also go into the Huawei Health app and use your own image as the background and then customize what little elements are there to be shown on the watch and also how it should be shown, like the clock. You can customize it however you want. And then if you want even more watch faces, you can go into the Huawei Health app and then download all of the other watch faces that are available in that app. And in terms of usability, it's a rather weird one. So to wake up the watch, you can either press the power button on the right side here or flick your wrist like what you would do with any other smartwatches in the market right now. And this method works well, though I do wish that they also implemented the double tap to wake functionality, since Huawei also copied the face palm to turn off functionality like the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. So yeah, it's just a bit weird that they didn't implement the double tap to wake. And while we are talking about watch faces, there are a total of 2 types to be downloaded via the Huawei Health app. The first one is a static background kind of watch face going on, and then the second one is with an animated background. My problem here is the refresh rate of this screen here. It doesn't seem like 30 FPS, it also doesn't seem like 20 something FPS. It looks a lot more jaggy, like 15 FPS or something like that. So there are no fluid animation backgrounds or watch face that are available for the Huawei Watch Fit, but I'm fine with that because this means that all of the animated watch faces that are found with the Huawei Watch Fit is highly stylized. And while we're here, I want to make a quick complaint because finding any watch face on the Huawei Health app is just atrocious. It's messy and there are no tags to tell you what differs from one watch face from the other. So everything is just lumped into one big menu and you have to click into each individual watch face and then just pray and hope that they have enough information to tell you what kind of watch face that is. And since we are talking about the app itself, even the app on its own is kind of messy. So at the bottom here, there are a few tabs. The first one is Health. So there's a dashboard for all of the data that's logged by the Huawei Watch Fit. Second tab is Exercise, and it's all about workouts. And then the third tab, which is Discover. I would say it's rather pointless because it's mostly promotions and ads, which is also plastered in many different parts of the app. So this is just a dedicated ad section for the Health app, I guess. And for the fourth tab here is Devices, and this is where you can customize all of your settings and also to enable things like health monitoring, notifications, alarms, and also firmware updates for your watch. And the last tab is Me. So this is where you can see a list of personal data and reports logged by the Huawei Watch Fit. And it is here that we need to talk about the data logging of the Huawei Watch Fit here. It can do everything it advertises pretty well. So you do have heart rate monitoring, steps monitoring, stress level monitoring, and also SpO2 monitoring. Your SpO2 level will only be taken if you manually press it on the watch itself. So yeah, that's not constantly monitored. And sleep data is constantly monitored though, and I find that to be working kind of good. And looking at my dashboard here, like usual, my deep sleep is just not that good. So I do wish that the Huawei Health app will just give me some content on how to improve my deep sleep instead of just giving me a wall of text on why my deep sleep is just not that good. And before I forget, changing the wrist strap on this Huawei Watch Fit here is going to be a nuisance because it is not toolless and you have to pry open this part at the back of the watch. It uses some sort of a seatbelt mechanism. It's similar to a seatbelt, so The band here will align the holes here, and then this thing that you pry out is just a bolt to bolt the watch and also the band together. I honestly do think that Huawei should make the whole wrist strap situation here to be completely toolless, because this is just way too cumbersome. And now battery life. So the Huawei Watch Fit can last for about 10 days with my usage, and I find it to be kinda okay because it has such a beautiful screen and whatnot. What I do want to complain is that the way you charge the Huawei Watch Fit is still proprietary, because you need to use the included cable here, which has two pogo pins, but it only attaches magnetically in one direction. I do kind of wish Huawei to just use Qi wireless charging at this point, because number one, this kind of cable, if it ever gets wrecked or anything, it's gonna be difficult to find an exact replacement. And secondly, why does the cable only snap and charge in one direction? Why can't I charge with the other direction instead? And finally, the price. The Huawei Watch Fit is priced at 499 ringgit, which I think is not really that expensive, but it's not really that affordable either. But considering all of the things that it does, I do think that it's kind of worth it. Though some other things that you need to take note of is that whenever you receive a notifications, emojis will not show up. I just can't get notifications to work. And you cannot reply to any messages with just the watch itself. So yeah, it's not really a smartwatch, but it's not really advertised as a smartwatch since it has the name Fit in it, so it's a fitness band instead. So yeah, and I think if you just want something stylish and functions as a fitness band, then the Huawei Watch Fit should probably be in your consideration as well. And so that's all we want to say about this brand new Huawei Watch Fit. Do leave your comments down in the comment section below, and we'll see you next time.